What's up, guys? You watch another video. I know it's pretty dark. We're on the GoPro once again. Damn, it's really dark. We're on the GoPro once again. We're about to do a little point of view drive. Hopefully the GoPro captures it. I've never done a nighttime point of view with the GoPro, so we'll see how this comes out. Hopefully it's a success, hopefully not a fail, but I want to do more of these point of view drives for you guys. So thank you guys for watching another video. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button right now. Smash the like button too before we get into the video. And let's get to driving, bro. Like I said, I don't know how it's gonna look at night, but we got the ambient lighting in the G80, so I think it's gonna be pretty cool to see. I see my boy Quan doing all these freaking nighttime POVs. Shout out to Quan. And it looks sick at night, like with the ambient lighting, the digital dash, and the G80 is like the perfect car to do it in. So I don't know where we're gonna go, but we're just gonna drive around. I think Kevin's waiting for us upstairs. I believe he's in the Bronco. We're gonna pull out the BMW so we can cruise the Beamers together at night. I think it'll be sick, but we'll see. I mean, as long as we got some homies to cruise with, even if he's in the Bronco, we'll make the best of it. I hope you guys can see with the GoPro at night. I hope it's bright enough, bro. And I hope the quality is good. Sometimes the quality is kind of ass on the GoPros, but we're gonna try. Look what Kevin pulled up in. I messed with the settings. I think you can see better now, huh? Yeah, I think I changed the settings, guys. It's a little better. I mean, bear with me, guys. It's nighttime, but we'll mess with the settings. We'll get better as we go. This is the first POV at night, so let me know how it is. Kevin's keeping up in the Bronco. Oh, today I think I'm gonna pull up to Hollywood, guys. Go to Hollywood, see all the tourists being tourists, and show you guys Hollywood. A lot of people probably watch the vlogs, never been to Cali, never been to LA, so I'll show you guys how it really looks in LA. Not that nice, I'm gonna be honest, guys. Sorry to break it to you. Gets a little crazy, a little scary at night. Places that you could go, certain places that aren't good, some places are good. Hollywood, I'll show you. It gets a little crazy, some crazy people there. Can you guys hear his little blow-up bells? Change the ambient lighting. Green? It's kind of cool. Blue. Blue's pretty fire, can't lie. I kind of like the blue. There's a tunnel. You know what that means. It is a lot more sketchier at night, guys. Like the burbles and the loud exhaust, because then I really can't see if there's a cop behind me. Like I can't tell which one's a cop or not. It's kind of sketch. I lost Kevin. He can't keep up. Downstairs, something crazy. Come on, turn green. Can't keep up or what?
No. It's very hard.
Why not? Watch this.
Damn, the ambient lighting looks sick.
It's hard on ambient lighting? I don't know.
Very nice, babe.
I don't know what color to do it. They got orange for Kevin, look. Orange is Kevin's favorite color over here. Orange is cool, but bro, I don't like orange, guys. I don't know why. It's not just because Kevin has it. And then look, Ares actually hacked the system. Bronze is not bronze. Bronze is actually pink. Look at that. Pink's also a vibe, bro. I don't know how Ares did that, but he coded it out. Oh my god, these are all cops, by the way. Oh my god, there's hella cops. Motorcycle cops, everything. So that's Hollywood Bowl, guys. Anyone that wants to go to Hollywood Bowl, they do like concerts and stuff right there. I've actually been there. I saw Kanye West right there. Very random. But yeah, how does the pink look, guys? Pink or blue, huh? Maybe blue. Alright, we gotta be careful because people in Hollywood right here, they drive a little reckless. A little crazy here, bro. And there's a lot of cops, so should probably turn the burble off. Welcomes you to Hollywood. I can't read or what? You guys seen that movie, Quiet Place? Is it good or not? Or Twisters? Twisters is crazy, huh? Who the heck wants to chase a tornado, bro? Not me. I'm good off that. I hope I never see a tornado in my life. Damn, Kevin's rich. Sheesh. What is that, G?
Huh?
What's on your wrist?
Little Van Cleefy.
Bro, Kevin really brought the Bronco out. It's not as cool as the Beamer, you know, but it's cool. Little point of view drive with the Bronco. It is huge though. It's crazy to see that thing in Hollywood. She wants to be at the desert. Look at it, see? Look, I told you people will be driving you crazy here. You gotta be careful. Your head gotta be on a swivel, bro. Also, if it sounds funny when I'm talking, I have the GoPro in my mouth, bro. It's a mouth mount. It's like the best angle, I think, because it's like eye level. It's like what I see. AMG? So this is Hollywood Boulevard, guys. So this is where everyone goes. This is where the stars are on the floor. So you see all the stars. Finding Nick star coming soon. How do you even get one of those? You think I'll have a Finding Nick star one day? Maybe, you never know. Look at all these people. We made it. Hollywood Boulevard. Yeah, it's not that popular, but usually you'll see people like in Spider-Man outfits and all kinds of crazy stuff. Jimmy Kimmel, Hard Rock Cafe. This is a Chinese theater. You've probably seen that like in movies and stuff. Damn, my boy's bumping too. Look at all the stars though, people taking pictures of them. Okay, Kevin. We can go up Sunset.
Yeah, we can go Sunset or you want it? Alright.
It's how I do my thumbnails, guys. It's honestly not that packed today, guys. Usually it's super packed. You can't even walk right here. There's so many people. But right now it's nothing. Little Willie! Little Willie, boo! Oh, cops. You see? That's another reason. Long story short, you can't drive a nice car here, bro. We got cops, we got messed up ass roads, crazy people. Now I'm showing you guys the dark side of LA, huh? It's crazy because the cops hear that one little burble, pulled over, state rep, pop your hood. Conan, big baller. Must be nice. Nowhere. What's up, bro? I might. You do look familiar. From where?
You were with Jonathan's. We just haven't seen this in person, bro.
It looks sick, huh?
Clean, bro. I love the rap.
Yeah, she looks crazy. Yeah. Later, bro. Nice seeing you. Yeah, this car's kind of hard to miss, huh? especially this loud. It may not sound that loud inside, guys. I'm gonna be honest, it doesn't sound that loud in here, but I've had people tell me that this is probably the loudest G80 they've ever heard. Like, it's super loud from the outside. I don't ever drive like this. I always drive with the valves closed in LA. Look at these roads though, bro. This is when something like Kevin's car comes in handy. Oh my god. This is horrible. Oh, I need to get out of this lane. This lane is so bad. Well, brake slow. Not that. Should we go in there for the vlog? Some GTA shit right there, huh? Right here they got like hotels, restaurants. They even got David Dobrik's pizza spot. Low-key, it's gas, bro. Honestly, I don't know, because I've taken a couple homies to David Dobrik's pizza spot, and it's a hit or miss. Some homies like it, some don't, but I love that pizza. I don't know why. That shit bomb to me. What y'all here watch? Try here. What the heck? The lights are off. Usually it's open hella late, but I guess not. We got some hotels. Oh my god, my boy's door was open. The intake sound crazy. Woo. Sorry. Look, it's the Supreme store. Pretty sick. There's an exotic car dealership, I'll show you that. Is it loud?
It's so loud.
Exotic car dealership. Let's see what they got in there. Huracan SVJ. I saw the SVJ. Rolls Royce. What the? Kevin for sure is looking at that. Oh. There's a cop looking at me. Just straight mad dogging me. I closed the valves real quick. Oh, she's getting in her car, bro. I'm out. I seen the car turn on. I'm out, bro. Drop the gear, disappear on them, huh? Yeah, but the valves closed, you can hear the intakes way more. We had to ditch the scene real quick because yeah, bro, I was coming in a little hot, not gonna lie. Downshifting, and the cop was right there just mad dogging me, guys. I closed the valves real quick. Seen the cop start the car because I seen the taillights turn on. They were about to bust a U-turn and come after me. I know they were, bro. We had to lose them a little bit in the neighborhood. I think we're really close to Rodeo. We should probably just stop by while we're there. Beverly Hills Hotel. Now I'm taking you guys all over. We're doing a whole LA tour right here. Might be time to close the valves though. In Rodeo, we going full eco mode. The cops in Rodeo do not play. Fun fact, there's actually drones. People piloting drones in Beverly Hills. You'll see them in the sky. I'll see if I can show you. But sometimes you'll see a drone fly by, catching people's like license plates or people speeding, excessive noise, like loud exhaust. It's wild in Beverly Hills. Rodeo Drive now. Look how fast you can get around LA at night. At night, you can get everywhere in LA within 5-10 minute drives. In the daytime, what we just did right now would have took us at least an hour.
I was just here. Like 2 hours ago.
What are they doing? Construction? At night, they do all the construction on the buildings and stuff like that because there's no one here. Look, they're doing all the construction. During the day, this shit is packed, bro. Like, everybody's here. It's actually crazy that we live in like real life GTA, huh? Like GTA 5 is based on LA. I already showed you guys Hollywood Boulevard, showed you guys Rodeo Drive. I haven't went to downtown LA in this vlog, but if I was able to, I would really go to downtown LA. But they even got downtown LA in the game. Like, they have everything in GTA in real life right here in LA. They got Santa Monica Pier that we can go to. LAX Airport is exactly like the game. I'm trying to think what else. Everything's just like the game though. We got Van Cleef's, my boy Kevin. The Louis store. We go shopping?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog so far. Pretty laid back, chill, night point of view. There's some stuff you just play while you're just chilling at night, you know, ready to go to bed. Let me put on some Finding Nick, watch some night POV drives. If you guys like this vlog, let me know down below. Like I said, first night point of view drive. I think the quality is not that bad. Hopefully it's not, but if you guys enjoyed it, let me know. I'll make more of these night point of view drives. We can do it in a GTR, even though it doesn't have the ambient lighting like this, but it would be pretty cool. Shit, hella loud, bro. The car looks sick though, look at that. I'm sorry guys, it's super loud. You see, they would never do this during the day, bro. They work at night here. But the car looks sick, right in front of St. Laurent. Josh Laurent. Where's my boy Josh at, bro? I haven't seen Josh in forever. I gotta have a little photo shoot real quick. And I'll probably end the vlog right there too. Oh my God. Bro, it's actually bright, dude. It looks like a police car. I swear if you pull up someone, it looks like I got pulled over, bro.
I can't even look.
You would think it's a police car behind you. I'm sure they're hella illegal if you drive like this. You'll blind everybody, bro. You cause a car accident. Damn. Yeah, the amber is hard. It's not as bright, but it's pretty freaking bright. What was that, for fog? Fog G?
Yeah, for fog.
Kevin's bright ass lights brightening it up for us. Way too loud, bro. Oh my God, Kevin just blinded that guy.
Until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.